right here in the turd, and right now we have the stock keyhole. So what we have for today is this kit, the JDI push start that I bought a while ago. It comes with actually comes with the kill switch too. It was a bundle, but we're not using that. So pretty much we're gonna be trying to install this today. First step is gonna be to remove the steering wheel. Next step, we're gonna turn off the car, disconnect the battery, and then we're gonna take out this clamp right here, and then we'll get to the next steps. So pretty much this is the main elements of the JDI kit. You have your push button, you have the harness, you have the push start module, you have the wand. I ordered an extra set of keys. The key comes with a card and two fobs. I just got an additional one that I remember, and this is what the hardest part that goes into to the brake line, to your brake pedal line. Right here, you got a hammer. You're gonna need a chisel to take out the security bolts, some Gorilla Tape, and some tap washers. I got my drill right there. So pretty much, we're gonna start with our removing the clamp that's in there, but first disconnect the battery. Battery disconnected. Next step is to take out the 4 screws on this clamshell. We have the clamshell off, and the next thing is we have to take out this bottom cover to have access to the wires. One Phillips right there, another one right there. Pretty much slides out. Sorry for the mess. I do have extra USB power and also ETC card reader, so don't mind the mess. So the next step is gonna be trying to take these security bolts out, because without that, this whole thing is pointless. This part is gonna test your patience. I went ahead, you can see where we make the little holes. So basically, you're gonna make some indentations so you can take out these security bolts, as in right here. You can see it's a bit loose. Well, I can't do it right now because of the weight of the switch, but pretty much it's gonna take patience. You just gotta keep at it and be careful not to break your window. Take out the security bolts. There you go. It comes out. Now it's the next step. Another right there. Another one right there. Basically, this cage comes off, giving us access to the harness for the ignition switch. Pretty much the ones we're gonna mess with is one right here in the fuse box. Can't really see it. It's behind this one, that one right there, and this one. So we're gonna go ahead. Pretty much there's these 2 connectors. The small one goes to the fuse box. This one goes to the chassis harness. Now it's out. So now we're gonna start with the hardest part, which is gonna be the brake cable. You can see over here where, right there where I put the tapper for the brake pedal. So I'm gonna connect the switch again and then run the rest. Right there, I have the wire connected. So on to the next step. Module right here. We have the cable connected right there to the fuse box. I did put a self tapper right there. So what I'm doing, kind of makeshift, put it together. Just make sure it works. Once it does, I'll button everything up. There you go. I locked. There you go. There you go. Got it working. So now connect the back again. Yes, sir. I gotta fix all this shit. I have the clamp without the actual switch. It's kind of loose. So what I did, I used some Gorilla Tape, put in the sides. I mean, is it perfect? No, but oh well. So now we got it right there. Break in. There you go. Push start on the turd. Everything's back together. So pretty much, I mean, like I said, the hardest part is gonna be taking out the security bolts. That took the most time. And the second thing is just trying to put everything in place, testing it before you finalize everything. But it's worth it. now I just hope I don't lock myself out. So we're all buttoned up, and now go break in. There you go, guys. Push start.